Hi everyone, this is a quick video for anyone who is studying psychology at university. Psychology is a fantastic academic subject that teaches you loads of really interesting things about human behaviour. And because it's a science, you also need to know quite a lot about research methods and statistics. But it's that part that people have a bit of an issue with. The problem is, the software psychologists use for stats isn't really designed for students. In fact, it's not designed at all for students. It's designed for professional statisticians who know exactly what they're doing. That's why it's full of lots of fiddly options and tick boxes that don't really mean much to you if you're just learning stats for the first time. A lot of people don't really understand just how overwhelming this software can be for students. But I do, and that's why I made this. StatsCloud is a much more user-friendly app designed to help you with stats and teach you as you go along. It looks just like any other spreadsheet software, but when it comes to the analysis, the app helps you choose the right test to run. When you have, it tells you whether that test is reliable or if there's a better one you can use. It summarises everything for you in plain English and even shows you how you can write a summary of the results to include in a report. If you get stuck at any point, there's a whole textbook built into the app you can get to at any time. The best thing about StatsCloud is that it runs on anything. You don't need to download it, install it or update it. You can get started right away by just going to statscloud.app. And that's it. I hope you enjoy using the app, and if you do, tell your course friends and tutors about it, and follow the app as well to get all the latest news and some tutorials too. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your course.